Aloha, my name is Kevin Shimomura, PGA Director of Instruction here at the Ko Olina Golf Academy. And I'm going to give you 3 tips to maximize your game and allow you to have more fun on the golf course. So just remember, we want to hit the ball far, F-A-R. So, number 1, F, we're going to get a forward ball position, more off of your left shoulder for a right-handed golfer. A, we're going to angle our shoulders to have our trail shoulder lower than our left. This is going to help us launch the ball higher, maximize the wind. And R, we're going to relax our forearms and our hands. Tight muscles, move the club slower. Relaxed muscles, move the club faster, which leads to more club head speed, further distance. Bunker shots can be a very intimidating shot for any level golfer. So here's 3 tips to help you get out of the bunker every time. Just remember the 3 B's: base, bounce, and be aggressive. The first B, we need a wider base with weight more on our forward leg. Second B, we're going to use the bounce of the golf club. We're going to get the club face open to utilize the bottom of the club to help the club skip through the sand. And the third B is be aggressive. This is one of the only shots in golf where we do not actually hit the golf ball. So we're aiming about 1 to 2 inches behind the golf ball, and we need some acceleration to get the ball out of the bunker. So here's a quick tip to help you be more efficient on the putting green. We want you to aim to feint. So if you look at your golf ball, there's a line and a logo on your golf ball. You can even draw your own line on it if you would like. This is going to help you aim to your target better, set up, and hopefully help you make more putts. It's really almost like cheating, but it's well within the rules of golf. So whether you're playing at Ko Olina Golf Club or any other course in Hawaii, utilize these 3 tips to maximize your game and have more fun. Aloha.